Number lines. The key to mastering fractions and decimals. Hello learners. Today, we're going to dive into a very fascinating part of English language learning. We're focusing on comparing and ordering fractions and decimals. In particular, we'll learn a great technique for understanding these concepts, using number lines. Number lines are amazing tools that can help you visualize and compare fractions and decimals easily. So, let's get started. Number lines are exactly what they sound like. Lines with numbers on them. They are a simple yet effective way to represent and compare numbers. When we look at a number line, each point on the line corresponds to a number. Imagine a straight line. At one point, we mark 0. Moving to the right, we mark positive numbers, like 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Moving to the left of 0, we can mark negative numbers if we want, but for today, we'll just focus on positive numbers. Now that we understand what a number line is, let's learn how to place fractions on it. Suppose we have the fraction 1/2. To place this on the number line, we divide the segment from 0 to 1 into 2 equal parts. The point halfway between 0 and 1 represents 1/2. In the same way, to plot 3/4 on the number line, we divide the segment from 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. The point that's 3 parts of the way from 0 to 1 represents 3/4. Just like fractions, we can also represent decimals on a number line. Let's say we have the decimal 0.5. To find this on a number line, we again look between 0 and 1. But this time we divide the space into 10 equal parts. Because there are 10 digits 0 to 9 we can use after the decimal point. The point halfway, or 5 parts from 0, represents 0.5. The magic of number lines really shows when we compare fractions and decimals. By placing both fractions and decimals on the same number line, we can easily see which is larger. For example, let's compare 1/2 and 0.4. On the number line, you'll see that 1/2, the same as 0.5, is to the right of 0.4, so it's larger. And that's a wrap. Today, we've learned how to use number lines to understand, compare, and order fractions and decimals. Remember, the key is to visualize these values on the number line. It might seem tricky at first, but with a little practice, you'll soon find it much easier to compare and understand fractions and decimals. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time.